What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from FGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois, coming at you with this new arrival 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, and I'm going to dive deeper into this thing. Let's get going. Under the hood, you have a 6.6 liter with a Holley, I want to say Sniper system on it. Now, this car was originally an air conditioning car, and they wanted to do a retrofit kit from Classic Auto Air, and I believe it is not fully connected yet, which doesn't take much effort. That is something our service center could do. Other than that, the engine bay is really, really clean. Engine is painted in its correct color. Edelbrock intake manifold, 4-barrel carburetor. There's your trim tag. Of course, we have disc brakes in the front, drum in the rear. There's the iconic bird and the iconic air cleaner, kind of like a shaker style, would have come on this car. Let's go ahead and close this hood. Just take a look at that. Iconic Firebird Trans Am. Really nice car. This is the bandit colors, the gold, black with the gold on it. The paint is in pretty good shape. It shines nicely. It's got its few flaws here and there. Definitely a presentable driver paint job. Just like a little chip there and there. Other than that, really clean. And it presents itself very well. You can see a reflection in it. Over on the interior side of things, you got the beautiful, what I would call peanut butter interior. Leather in really good shape. Not perfect, but really good shape. A few flaws here and there on the door panels. You step inside, sit down, it feels great. Let's go ahead and start the car. Starts right up. Now, I tried the climate controls, like I said. I've had no luck. I believe they didn't finish installing. It has power windows. They work very well. Some sort of retro sound radio. Of course, the console shift. Your horn works, but you can barely hear it. And I doubt the cigarette lighter works, but let's give it a shot. No luck, looks like it's all burnt out. Your wipers. No luck. Let's try your lights and blinkers. Give me one moment. Your lights work. Your blinkers work. There's your T-tops in the back. Lights work, blinkers work in the back. Turn the blinkers off. Turn the lights off, and let me give you this rev. Sounds great. It's got a dual exhaust. Everything you'd ever need in one of these cars. shape, very presentable, and a very fun to drive car. This car drives beautifully. I got one more thing to show you. That'll be the trunk. Pops right open. As you can see, there's your factory air cleaner assembly. Other than that, very clean in here. Painted correctly. Rolling this car took a very good care of this thing. Closes really nicely. All your body lines are really nice. Everything's it's really nice. The car has great bones. It presents itself very well. If you're interested in this 1977 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, please call us at 847-848-1850. We have around 250 cars in stock at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois, where we are located. We are open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Monday through Friday is the 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. But you have to make an appointment. Please make an appointment. Or visit the website, mgmclassiccars.com. You can find all of our inventory there. We offer special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. We have a full service center, so any of the flaws on this car or anything that's not working, if you would like them to be taken care of, please talk to our service center and have your salesman give you a quote on the service, because all of our cars are sold as is. In this video, I've given you my opinion on this car. Personally, this thing is a really nice example of one of these cars. Getting harder to find them, especially D-top in this color combo. Thanks for watching, everyone. I want everyone to have a great day. I hope to see you soon here at MGM Classic Cars. Bye-bye, everyone.